It's the end of 2023 and we're looking towards 2024. But what happened in 2023? It was our best year yet. We helped more surgeons, more surgical staff, and more biomedical engineers get the most out of their equipment. We have courses that teach the biomed how to service them, and we have courses to help the physician understand the phaco and fluidics so that they can do their own troubleshooting. What I want to talk to you about is what to do with the equipment that you no longer need at your facility. So if you have phaco equipment, vitreoretinal equipment, testing equipment, diagnostic, virtually anything in the world of eye surgical equipment, we'd be happy to help you dispose of that so that you can go ahead and look to the future for something new or your retirement, whichever comes first. We had opportunities to work with a variety of equipment. We work on all the Alcon systems. We have the Ertley Cataract 3, which is a very powerful system. There's the Dork, there's the Stellaris, and there's the Johnson & Johnson system. So we work with all the different phaco equipment. So if you have a question, don't hesitate to subscribe and give us a call, and we'll be able to help answer some questions you might have on how you can get the most out of your equipment in 2024. Thank you.